How to turn off Facebook birthday notifications. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Facebook birthday notifications are a great way to staying connected with your friends and family. However, those birthday notification alerts might get annoying. If that's the case, Facebook allows you to turn off the birthday notifications. To do that, you first want to open the Facebook app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the app, tap on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and get to Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on the Settings option. Once you're here, scroll down. Then in the Preferences section, tap on Your Time on Facebook. Scroll down and find the option of Control Your Notifications. Tap on See Settings. Now tap on Notification Settings, which will allow you to choose which Facebook notification you receive. From this list, you want to find the option of Birthdays. Right now, this notification is enabled, which means you will receive the birthday alerts. If you want to turn this off, you can do that manually one by one or directly toggle off the option of turn off birthdays notifications. Tap on turn off and you won't be receiving them on Facebook by push, email or SMS. Once that is done, head back, and this is how you can turn off Facebook birthday notifications. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.